You see this here? I cut that. You see how you listen while I cut this bracket, right?
Okay.
I cut the bracket. I'm going to glue it to the lid on that side. The camera bolts there. The cord is just long enough. That's the computer and the camera that go together.
Is that the bracket that came off the?
No, that's one of the ones that came with my DRO sets.
Okay.
Like I told you earlier.
What? This one's supposed to be hanging up. The other one I can't find. I know it's here somewhere.
Anyway, with the bracket glued to the lid of this computer, the one that's going to be used with all the time out in the shop and for recording here,
yeah.
I've got the swivel, and if I want to elevate, I just move the lid of the laptop forward or back.
Backward. Yes, I know how that works.
So I am keeping the KISS rule.
Keep it
In
simple,
engineering
stupid.
here, I am keeping it simple. Stupid. Well, I have it mounted on the lid of my laptop. If a butterfly farts in China, it loses connection between there and here. That far, it loses connection on a USB. I'm afraid to hot glue, the small end of the USB into the camera, because it'll pick that to be the exact wrong position in all 17 of the dimensions. But 21 bucks. It works with this computer, so I can take this computer out in the shop. I have a feeling new cameras are why many, many, many divorces have happened. Then there's the ones, why'd you kill her? She bought me a new camera. Well, that's a nice thing. You want to bet? Then you do an entire 12-reel slapstick comedy. It'd have to be Cary Grant. Cary Grant would have to do it. He's the one who could do the comedy that way and still not seem like a Marx Brother or a stooge. Seem like a normal guy who just fell into the Twilight Zone. Damn this camera. I hate it. My wife forbid me to get $21 value out of it, videotaping, smashing it, showing how nicely the parts break. So I guess I get to give it back to her. I'm finally freaking disgusted with it. High-tech suppository? Otherwise, I'd full out AVE this damn camera. Take it apart, forget to put it back together is what I do.